Good morning, guys. Welcome to our second class, and today we are going to be treating HTML structure, and we are going to be treating HTML heading tags. Right, so these codes that you are seeing on the screen is what we know as the HTML structure, right? So it's like the skeleton of our HTML, in which everything that we are going to be writing, everything that we are going to be doing, is supposed to be in. Right, so explaining this one by one, the first thing that we are supposed to take note first is that this code is divided into two structures. Right, so I'm going to space it so that you are going to understand better. So this is the first section, right? Right, so and this is the second section. Right, so this head here, right, this code I've highlighted is our first section, right? So and this code I've highlighted here is our second section. Right, so moving forward, we have this first code, which is an unpaired tag, right? So meaning it doesn't have any closing tag and whatever. So we have doc type HTML. Right, so this is telling us that the document type that we are going to be writing, like the type of document that we are going to be writing, is HTML. Right, so it's as simple as that. Then we have the second tag, which is HTML tag, is our parent tag. Like this is a parent tag, right? So it's going to be housing everything that we are going to be doing. All of our codes should be inside the HTML tag. So we have the opening tag right here, and we have our closing tag right here. Right, so inside of our HTML, that is where we have our two sections. We have the head section, right, and we have the body section. So this head section is going to be containing everything that we do not wish to show on our web page. Right, so we said the body tag is going to be containing everything that we wish to display on our browser. So I'm moving to the head tag. Initially we have more and more tags that are supposed to be inside our head, but for this level I think we should just maintain this. So as we said earlier, we said the tags that are inside our head are going to be those tags that we do not wish to display on our browser. So example of that is the title tag. So the title does not display on our browser, it displays at the top of our browser, right? So it's representing the title of whatever document we are going to be writing. So if you check up here, the title of my document is document, right? So but let's assume I'm building a website for an hospital, right? So then my title has to be something related to the hospital. Right, so let's say I'm creating a website for an hospital named Emmanuel. Right, so I'm just going to input Emmanuel. Right, sorry, I don't know if this is correct, but I think it's okay. Emmanuel Hospital. Right, so if you can check the top of my browser, my title is now Emmanuel Hospital instead of document. Right, so you can name this whatever you want, just make sure it's corresponding to whatever you are going to be writing in your browser. So that is what title serves as. So we have many more tags right here. So we have meta tags, and when you advance later, the links that are going to be joining both your CSS and HTML, or your JavaScript and HTML, are going to be placed between the head tags, right? So for this level, just know that the links are going to be in between the head, and they are not going to be showing in your web browser. So moving to the body tag. So we said everything that we wish to display on our browser are going to be in between our body tag. So let's run an example. So I have B, my name, right? My name, sorry, my name is Code Bros. So you see, this is displaying in my browser, and my title tag, right, is displaying up here, but my P is displaying in my browser. So that is because my P is inside my body tag, and the title is serving its purpose inside the head tag. So this is all what HTML structure is all about. Right, so the recap, we have the doc type HTML telling us which type of document we are going to write in. So we have our HTML tag, that is HTML tag is going to be parenting all of our other tags that we're going to be writing. Right, we have the head tags as going to be housing those tags that we do not wish to display on our browser. And we have an example of head tag. We have this HTML tag, this title tag inside. It's used to display our title on the top of our browser, and then we have the body tag. It's going to be housing whatever we are going to be displaying in our browser. And we have this P as an example showing our text in our browser, and then we have the closing tag of the body, we have the closing tag of the HTML. So moving to our second topic, we are going to be treating HTML heading tags. So we have 6 types of HTML tags, HTML heading tags. So we have heading tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So making 6, we have 6 heading tags. So H1 is the biggest of all, followed by H2, followed by H3, in descending order. Right, so what heading tag is, as the name So we can say heading tag is a tag that we use to it serves as a topic tag. When you write notes in school and then you put the heading, you put your topic at the top, you underline, move a little bit down, and that starts writing your note. So that's our heading tag is serving the same purpose as that your topic you write at the top of your note. Right, so an example of our heading tag is, let's showcase the tags one by one. Right, let me remove this. So we have heading 1 to 6. We have our H1, right, and then we have H2, right, and then we have H3, then H4, H5, and H6. So you are going to be seeing the clear difference when I start writing. So let's put this is heading 1. Right. This is heading 1. So you can all see how big this H1 is. So let's copy the same contents and place it in H2. Right, you see the size difference between the both of them. Right, so let's copy it and paste the same content in our H3. You see the size is decreasing in descending order. So that is how it is till we reach H6. Right, so let's paste H4, right, see, and then we have H5, and then we have H6. Right, so all these are heading. It just depends on whichever size you wish to write. So thank you very much for watching. If you missed my first class, I'm going to be dropping a link so that you can watch and so, and if you are just joining, so I'll also drop some videos on how to set up your Coda and TremeEdit on Android, and also the first lesson. So if you can catch up, you can watch the first lesson and make your assignment. Thank you very much.